Hey friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to comment on someone's pin on Pinterest. So wherever you are, whether you're on your homepage or you're on the explore section, it doesn't matter. If you find a pin that you want to comment on, then all you have to do is just simply click on the pin. It's going to take you over to that page of the pin, and here you will see in the upper left hand side you will see a comment icon. Click on the comment icon, it's going to take you right down to the bottom where there are comments, or if you scroll down you should see a comment section. Now if you find a pin that contains multiple comments, you can add to the comments and you can reply to someone comments. Let me choose for example another pin to see if it contains some comments. Now for example this one doesn't contain anything, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to the explore section and I'm going to find something that could potentially contains quite a lot of pins, quite a lot of reactions. So let's take for example this picture here, or this pin here. As you can see, it has over 700 likes or reaction. If I scroll down, it should show some comments, and here there are 8 comments. You can go ahead and you can add your comments here, or you can click comments, number of comments, and you can see where people are commenting. And from here, you can just simply click on reply and reply to someone's comment. So you can either like their comment, which is give it a heart or a thumbs up. You can try one of them, give it a love or give it a helpful, or you can just simply reply to the comment. So whichever one you choose. So let's say you want to give it a reply. You can click reply. It's going to give you the option to reply to this particular comment, right? So you can go ahead and you can do something like that. Or if you simply want to add your comment, just simply go ahead and find the comment box and you can add whatever. So I'm going to add, for example, amazing, right, with an exclamation sign. And from here, you want to look towards the right hand side and you want to go ahead and click this, basically this arrow. If you click and enter, it's going to put you in a new line. So that's not how you want to basically add your comment, but instead use the button towards the right that basically you use to share. And that's going to post your comment on the particular pin. And what's going to happen is that your comment will be at the top, and that's how it works. The oldest comment at the bottom and the newest comments at the top. And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and comment on a pin on Pinterest.